Hey, it's Lance McGowan here with Essential Oils Me, and today we're going to talk about a shaving cream using sandalwood essential oil. Fortified with natural lubricants and essential oils, this shaving cream improves razor glide for a close, comfortable shave. This is great for men and women, and this shaving cream will leave your skin smooth, healthy, and moisturized. The ingredients are using 1/3 cup of shea butter, 1/3 cup of organic coconut oil, 1/4 cup of the doTERRA fractionated coconut oil, 5 drops of the doTERRA sandalwood, 5 drops of the peppermint oil, and 5 drops of the melaleuca oil. The directions are placing all the ingredients except for the essential oils in a double boiler. Once the other ingredients are melted, remove from the heat and let it sit for about 3 minutes. Then you want to add the essential oils and stir it until it's all combined. You can let the shaving cream rest until it's hard. A tip here is that you can put it in the refrigerator to speed up the cooling process. Next, using a hand or stand mixer, whip the shaving cream up until it's light and fluffy. Lastly, place in a container of choice and then use it after it's all done. So you want to use ideally a glass jar, kind of like the one that's shown here, and then that little brush there is a good applicator. Well, that concludes today's video. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to click the like button if you did, share this video with somebody that would benefit from it, and most importantly, check out the links in the description below so you can continue to get your learn on, and I will see you in the next video.